Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the transfer goes smoothly. Sign into your Google account on the old device, then enable backup in settings so contacts, apps, and Wi-Fi passwords are saved. Connect both devices to the same Wi-Fi network and ensure battery is above 50%. Once done, open the Setup or Settings app on the new device and choose the option to copy data. Make sure you have any screen lock PINs or passwords handy to authorize the transfer. You now perform the transfer itself, choosing cable or wireless based on speed and convenience. If using cable, connect both devices using an OTG adapter. If wireless, tap the Quick Transfer or Nearby Share option. Follow the on-screen prompts to select which apps, accounts, and settings to copy. You can deselect anything you don't want. Authenticate when requested with your PIN, fingerprint, or the Google verification prompt on the old device. Wait patiently while apps and data download to the new device. Finish by checking that accounts synced correctly and apps restore their data. Open key apps to confirm. Update the new device's system and apps, and reauthorize sensitive services like banking or two-factor authentication if prompted. If something didn't transfer, restart both devices and reconnect to Wi-Fi, then attempt to restore missing data from Google Backup or use the cable method for reliability. If transfer errors persist, sign out and back into your Google account and retry the restore to resolve permission or sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.